Hey, what's going on?
What up, bro?
What's happening over here?
So, been trying to work on this for last 2 weeks. So, I got the last parts. Basically, my last bumper. I gotta finish this, and it should be good. The hard part is usually the front of the back bumper.
Which you already did, right?
Yeah.
Got the hood
I
down.
finished the mirrors. I finished the back, the roof. Everything's pretty much done. Also, I picked up another Hot Wheel on the table because you can see the S15. It's the new one that just came out. I'm gonna have to add it to my wall. If you can show my wall. So one bunch of my favorites. I got more, but those are just my favorites. That's why I put them up. Especially the 300CX, which got me into this. Nobody knows.
What's the plan for today?
I'm gonna finish this. My friend's supposed to come by and give me a lip. Then we're gonna get tire stickers, valve cover paint. Is gonna be wrinkle paint red. So that's why it's all apart, is because it's not in yet. So we ordered all the parts from eBay and Amazon. So it took 5 days to come in. Today's January 2nd, so they came in yesterday. And yeah, it's gonna deliver them, gonna install them all, and this car should be done by I think tonight or tomorrow for sure. I just gotta finish this bumper right here. Also, we're gonna go to the shop, and on my other yellow one, we're gonna be installing the full exhaust over there. So we're gonna record that as well.
So how come the roof is black even though the Hot Wheel is yellow?
So I'm basically using the wrap from the other car that I was working on. So this is leftover. I bought 75 feet. I used as 45 feet on the other one, and then I had the rest left for this. So I only had for the front, the sides, and I didn't have enough for the roof, the hood, and the trunk. But we found some carbon fiber, and we basically laid it down. Check it out. Looks pretty good.
Can't really show the trunk. It's kind of backed up in here.
Yeah.
But trunk is done as well,
Yeah.
just like the Hot Wheel.
Yeah.
Pretty clean. Got all the 4 wheels on today, right?
Yeah. Yeah, I've got brand new tires for the fronts. Gonna change out the tires tonight for the backs. Also brand new. So this thing's gonna be really clean. So excited.
Yeah. Almost done.
My 2-week project. Yeah.
Pretty much done.
Yep, it's good. And it's all done. All right, check it out. Very clean, fresh. Love this wrap. This is actually cheater wrap. It's actually cheaper, a lot cheaper than other wraps, and it sits down perfect. The one wrap that I would not recommend buying is Vivid, because Vivid started peeling after I was done, and it was just really hard to apply. But cheater wrap, and it's really good. And then we're gonna be trying out a new wrap. It's called Vinyl Frog. Gonna be wrapping a Subaru with it very soon, but it's gonna be a new wrap I'm gonna be using. So if this works out, I might just work with that. But for now, cheater wrap is the way. So now that we're done, let's head over to the shop. Gonna do the exhaust on the yellow one and install some other parts. Is that the exhaust?
Like it?
Nice. Go. Oh. Before you install the exhaust?
Yeah.
So no exhaust,
No exhaust, just downpipe.
just downpipe.
Downpipe with an open wastegate.
Yeah. Alright, good.
So what are we doing with the Civic?
So the Civic has just a straight downpipe right now.
I just picked up a exhaust for it, but it's cut up in a couple areas. So we have our downpipe already set up from the turbo, and then I got an original exhaust from a Honda Civic. I'm gonna take from here to the original Honda exhaust. I'm gonna just do a straight pipe because we're getting rid of the O2 sensor that's back there. And then I have over here, I picked up a DC muffler system for the rear. It's a legit DC Motorsports muffler. It's a double muffler system, so hopefully it'll make the car quieter, and it's actually in really good condition. And then on the back, the reason why we don't have it underneath the car just yet is it is kind of cracked over here. So lucky for me, at the shop we have our welders here, so I'm just gonna weld it, getting the welder set up right now. I'm gonna weld that up and do the installation. I guess I'm gonna have to go outside and get a pipe because I don't have any pipes in here that fit. This is roll cage material. I ain't gonna deal with that.
So this is the pipe you're using?
Yeah, it's same size as the downpipe, 3-inch, 2.5, 3-inch. So
How long does it need to be cut to?
I needed a 36, and this one is it's going to be 19, and I have another pipe that's the exact same size, exact same pipe actually.
Weld it together.
Yeah, I'm going to pretty much just weld it on there, and from there to there, we got 36.
Nice.
So we'll be all right.
Piece number 2 cut.
Yep.
Just gotta weld them together now.
So when you weld these, here's the trick for all the people out there. This is the best way to do it. If you see a edge line, match them. Edge line to an edge line. It's the best way to get it to weld up properly. And then you can actually use these lines. Let's say if you want to do some pie cuts, these lines are so just really nice to be able to guide you with the V cut. You just set this up, and then you have your angles with it. Your 12-degree angle, your 45s for your pie cuts. That way you can make nice bends. That's how I do it. I use these lines for measurements. Not everybody does it this way, but this is the way I do it. It's the easiest for me to line all the pipes up properly. One tag there. One tag here. And always one tack on the back side. And then, since it's already on the table, you just turn it for welding. So I start in the bigger gap here, this area, and then I go up. There, that's a problem. See how it went straight up? Jack it up. Stop. Alright, this is cat back.
Alright, so I'm gonna do plastic dipping wheels. I got these plastic dip cans, tape, and basically some drop cloth that I bought for, I'm gonna zoom in, only 20 bucks. And I plan to probably do all 8 wheels tonight. Those ones right there. And this is golden set. Golden set, I'm gonna turn them into black. So this is the stuff. I don't know if they have shiny black, but so far I only found matte. So we're gonna be putting them over there. I'm gonna plastic dip them. Alright, basically before I'm gonna plastic dip these, I'm gonna clean them real good. I have a grease and wax remover, or we can use the paint thinner. Gets all the dirt out really good. So I'm just trying to get all the dirt, get them cleaned out before I plastic dip. Shake it up real good. I usually heat it up a little bit with a heat gun or something. Applies way better. So let's start this process. So I put 4 layers of plasti dip on here. 2 short ones or 2 small ones and 2 thick ones, so check them out. Laid down real nice. It's actually one of my first times doing plasti dip, so don't judge me, I'm still learning. So, but it did come out great. It says that we have to give it 4 hours to dry, so I'm gonna leave this here till tomorrow and see what they come out to be tomorrow. Let me take this off the caps. Tape. There we go. Alright, looks pretty good. Finished it, took us what, an hour or something to do? So I'm done with that. Let's see if he's done with his exhaust. I think he should be. Are you done?
I am. I just finished it. So we got our downpipe connected, we got our catback connected, and we got it all the way out to the back. Let's start it up. See how it sounds.
Hear it. Well, I'm not gonna be in your head. Alright, I'm gonna drive it home. I was hoping to get all the parts for the EG, but sadly there's a delay, so I might have to install them tomorrow, make a different clip on that. I'm not sure, but at least we got this running, and we did do some stuff on the wheels. So, gonna have to clean this thing up tomorrow. Work on this light. Looks like there's some moisture in there. I think the seals are going out. Well, other than that, I think we're done for tonight. I think it's like, what, 11 o'clock already? Pretty tired, so yeah, let's get out of here.